I got from Diane's to, I don't know, what is this, 20 minutes away? And now the side road is not looking too good. That's going to take me to the Palisades Parkway. So hopefully once I'm out of Orange County and hit Rockland, it gets better, but I don't know. I got my four-wheel drive on. I need to get home. My brother is stuck in New York City on his job. He's not going to be coming home tonight, and we need to get shoveled out down there. I called home. Nobody started that process yet. I don't know what they're waiting for. We started it at Diane's hours ago. So, I don't know how to use this snow blower, but I don't need it. We just need to do the walks, the stairs, the deck, and just the bottom half of the driveway to get in and out. That's all. But